Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use voice mode on VRchat. So let's start. So we have here the steps for doing it. So you need the voice modulator app to install and open. Then you go to control panel, sound and recording tab and select Microsoft Voice Mode's virtual audio device and set it as the default device. Apply the changes and it's on open VRchat and have fun. So we have here the program for installing. It's download for free, and you can check here what you can do it. You can the best voice modulator for VRchat, and then you can change tones and some voice effects, and also training VR game for online games, and you can use without any problem here. So I recommend you to download. You can find it in voicemod.com, and it's completely free guys. So I hope this works for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.